so I have high expectations from it. खुशबू तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. Yeah, but it's not the best biryani you will get. I'm not really expecting a lot from this. इससे मुझे सबसे least expectations है. I don't like it. अब जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं बचा खाने को तो खा लूँगी. I have no hopes from this. Hi guys, welcome back. I am Mohini and I'm equipped to fashion, travel, lifestyle, and a lot more. And today I'm going to do a food challenge. So as you must have read by the title, for next 24 hours I'm just gonna eat packed food, like ready to eat food. So I went for shopping yesterday and got a lot of stuff. Mama usually doesn't allow us to eat all of this, but you know, today I'm gonna try all of this. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, because I'm putting a lot of hard work in this and I hope it grows. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so right now I'm in the grocery store और मैं आई हूँ कल के चैलेंज के लिए शॉपिंग करने. So for breakfast I have some options, which is Maggi, poha, upma, or I can also get masala upma, but my vote is more for poha because I like poha more than upma. So I think I'm gonna get this for my breakfast. So I got this poha. This is the poha instant meal. This has bhujia sachet inside. Okay, so how you have to have this is that you have to open this, remove this lid. It also comes with a tissue paper here, and then it has a packet of poha, and then it has bhujia. Oh, this also has a spoon, which is great. We have to open this sachet, put this all inside this, and fill the water line till, and the water should be like boiling hot. And after that, you just close the lid for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. So now let's go make it. You know, if we closely see, in fact the poha is also up till the waterline only. Also, this is from Haldiram, so I have good expectations from it. So guys, it has been 5 minutes since I have kept this, so now it's time to open it. 12 right now, and I usually have my breakfast this late only. So let's see किसके कितने टाइम बाद मुझे भूख लगेगी and कैसा टेस्ट करता है. Like, you know, poha is something I really love, so I have high expectations from it. This is steaming hot for sure. Okay, looks decent. But now I'm gonna mix it all using the Haldiram spoon only. It's like nice and fluffy, and I'm gonna add the bhujia. This bhujia will add some crunch into the poha. You know, also this is not really plastic, this is paper, and this has a film inside, which is I think plastic, but I'm not really sure which material is that, you know, for the insulation. Okay, so this also has some Haldiram branding on it. You know, so the spoon I'll say is not the best, so if you're at home you can use a different spoon, but I'm glad ये वो वाला नहीं है टिक वाला, because वो टिक वाला तो बहुत ही जल्दी टूट जाता है, and the size of this spoon is like very small. This also has peanuts, which is great because I love peanuts. And let's take a bite. And due to the bhujia, the crunch is nice. The taste is also fine. It's not very spicy. It has like a balanced taste, and I think it's good for everybody. You know, if it's spicy, then not everyone can have it. And this looks good. This has a lot of peanuts. It has a little bit of hara dhania, mustard seeds, and jeera. So it's like how you make it at home, like especially how my mom makes it. You know, it's very similar to that. Tastes good as well, and I think the quantity, now, you know, it's a lot of quantity. Like now it's rising up till here. I think the quantity is great for a person. Like, so now I'm gonna have it aram se, and then see you guys at lunchtime. So guys, for lunch these are my main options: Hyderabadi biryani, matar paneer, dal makhani, dal tadka, rajma. They have kadhi pakora. They have basically a lot of stuff, but my vote is mainly for biryani because this is like completely ready to eat. इसके साथ मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. यहीं अगर मैं शाही पनीर या दाल या कुछ ऐसा लूँगी तो I'll be needing roti with that, and I want to be very honest in this. challenge. So I think I'm gonna get Hyderabadi biryani for lunch. It's 4 and you know the poha was quite filling. मेरे को बिल्कुल भूख नहीं लगी, अभी 4 बज रहे हैं. So for lunch I got this Hyderabadi biryani. This serves 2, so I think I'm gonna make the full plate and you know later somebody else can also have it. क्योंकि 4 बज रहे हैं, lunch तो सब कर चुके हैं. So it says that it has long grain basmati rice cooked with the vegetables in a tomato yogurt gravy with aromatic spices. I got the vegetarian version because I feel ki chicken in the ready to eat boxes is not something I would like to eat. So yeah, I'm gonna make it. So there are 3 types of making it. You can also you know put all the pouches in the frying pan in a boiling water and then keep it for 4-5 minutes, cut open the pouches and serve it in the plate. Or the second option is you put all of this in the fry pan and cook it for some time, and the third option is to do in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I think I'm gonna do the microwave one. So for that what we have to do is empty the containers in a glass bowl and keep it for 2 minutes in the microwave. This has this one big pack which has to go in the bowl and then in the microwave for 2 minutes. So let's go. So guys, I've given 2 minutes. It's steaming hot right now, but it said it serves for 2 and I think the quantity is way too less for like 2 people. It's just one, only I think only one person can have it. खुशबू तो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. I can see a lot of gajar, matar, beans also, and it has elaichi. It is Hyderabadi biryani, so I think it will taste like that only. So let's have it. No, it's the first spoon. It's super hot, but the rice are very nicely cooked. You know the biryanis I usually have are like very fooly and fluffy. This isn't that fluffy, but the rice is really nicely cooked and they taste good as well. And yeah, but it's not the best biryani you will get, but it's good for like ready to eat, and also it wasn't that expensive. So I think it's a good quick fix if you're like craving for biryani like a lot. But this is for one person for lunch or like for a main meal. This is just for one person. It won't serve 2. So keep that in mind if you're ordering this. But nonetheless, it tastes great. No, it's not the best, but it tastes good, decent amount. And the vegetables in the biryani aren't like the best. They are okay. And that's Dadi in the background. Hello, Dadi.
Hello.
So for evening snacks, I have got 2 options here. So one are these sweet corn chaat masala. They come with chaat masala. These are basically sweet corn and these are popcorns. So I was really confused what to get. But I think कि अगर मुझे भूख लगी और वो अच्छा lunch नहीं हुआ तो I guess sweet corn में पेट ज़्यादा भरेगा और इसका पता नहीं. Along with corns, I want something to drink. Because I usually have my coffee in the evening, so I am thinking to get a milkshake. So here we have the almond flavor option and the chocolate flavor. So but obviously I'm gonna go for chocolate. I'm not much into soya milk, so otherwise you can also get soya milk if you want to. And I'm gonna get my chocolate milkshake. It is currently 6:41 and for the milkshake I showed you that I got the Hershey's one, but I had it last night only. So I got another one today. So this is the Nescafe Intense Cafe and I really like this coffee as well, and I think it will be a good combination. So let's make corns right now. So what you have to do is you have to open the corns, and it has some water as well inside. So we have to put it in microwave. The corns will boil and then you can add butter, salt, and there's some masala in it already. So I'm gonna mix all of that and eat it. Okay guys, so this is how the corns are looking right now. They look really nice and steaming hot and fresh. I'll be adding a piece of butter, a pinch of like salt, and this is the chaat masala which came. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Now I'm gonna mix it really nicely. This smells heavenly, you know. So guys, the corn smell like heavenly, and I know this coffee tastes great. Yeah, it's really nice. So now I'm gonna have my evening snack, and I have 2 really interesting things for dinner which I've kept for last because I wanted to keep them for last, and now I'm gonna have it. The corns are really good. You know, if you don't add the butter, I don't think it will be this great. So be generous with butter and salt, because I think it's the butter which has, you know, made it taste really nicely. So now it looks amazing and tastes very good as well, but the quantity is like again very less, but I think it's for a snack for one person, it's good. So I think it's enough for me for now, and I love this coffee. Now I'll see you guys with dinner. Bye. So guys, now it's dinner time, and for dinner basically I wanted to eat South Indian, because South Indian, when I saw this I was like, okay, I've never seen this pehle. So this is the Ashirwad instant mini idli sambar. So I've never had idli sambar जो ऐसे ready to eat आता हो, मतलब this is totally out of the box. Dal makhni, kadhi chawal types I've still seen people eating, but idli sambar is going to be really different. So I thought, and I love idli sambar, so I thought it's a good option for dinner. And to go with that, I wanted some meetha, क्योंकि सारा दिन से मीठा नहीं खाया होगा, so I'll be needing some, you know, a dessert. So for that I found this instant suji halwa with jaggery. It does not have sugar, it has jaggery, so which is a plus point. And I'm really curious कि ये हलवा गर्म पानी में कैसे बनेगा. So अभी चलो देखते हैं चैलेंज में क्या कैसे बनता है. It's 8:58 right now. It's like 9. I usually have my dinner around 8, but आज सब कुछ इतना late हुआ है, तो you know I was really full with those snacks. So for dinner I'm gonna have idli sambar. You know, when I saw this idli sambar, I was like, wow, can you get idli sambar? Like it's great. It's from Ashirwad, and Ashirwad का आटा आता, तो I think इडली अच्छी होगी. मतलब ऐसा कोई मतलब ज़रूरी भी नहीं है, but yeah, I think so. So I think this is the mini idli. So I can feel there are 4 idlis, 4 very small mini idlis. It says it's mini idli sambar, so I think that's like that. And it says instant sambar. So that's that. And they also have a spoon, and they have a tik tik wala spoon, like, you know, you can see this one. These aren't the best spoons anyway, but okay, we'll try to do with it. So basically what we have to do is put this sambar ka powder in this, and यहाँ पे marked है line, so यहाँ तक इसमें boiling hot water डालना है. After that we have to mix it, then pour in the idlis also, and then keep it for 8 minutes. This definitely smells a lot like sambar. The idlis are like very chotu. There are 5 idlis, like very small 5 idlis. So I'm gonna close the lid and keep it for 8 minutes. So till the time the idli is in the process, I wanted to make my meetha also. So I got the I got the suji halwa with jaggery. You know, I feel अगर water level अंदर mark किया होता तो it would have been like easier and better. Like जो सुबह जिसमें था, इससे मुझे सबसे least expectations है. I don't really know how it's gonna be. It's almost been 10 minutes since the idli sambar is done, and you know, I don't know, I do not have much expectations, although this light is blinking, so if that, you know what's happening there. So I'm gonna open this idli sambar, and I don't know how it's gonna taste. It, you know, I don't really have much expectations, because when I was putting the idlis inside, they were like very small and they were very hard, so I don't know, you know. Let's open. So the sambar looks fine. It's like nice and thick. I usually like my sambar to be like thoda watery. It's not that watery, but yeah, I think that idlis have taken the water. Idli का size हल्का सा बड़ा हुआ है. Okay guys, so it's time for the test. वैसे ये एक idli एक बारी में भी खाई जा सकती है, but I'm gonna cut it. Not the softest idli, but it's fine. I don't like it. I don't like it. This is like the last option I think I'll have. जब जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं बचा खाने का तो खा लूँगी. The sambar is too thick. The idli is too hard. Not like hard as a stone. It's not like even soft as a idli is. My mom makes much better idli sambar. This is for 75 rupees. But in like 50-60 rupees you get a nice plate of hot and fresh idli sambar from a good restaurant. So I think idli sambar, no. You know, all the other things were nice, like those pulao, the biryani I had, and even the poha was really good. I don't think I'm gonna complete this. This doesn't taste good at all. But I hope the halwa is nice. Okay guys, so बहुत ज़्यादा disappointment हो गई थी इडली सांभर के बाद. But now we're gonna have instead suji halwa with jaggery. So इसके लिए तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा confused थी. I was like इडली सांभर फिर ज़्यादा अच्छा बनेगा, but I have no hopes from this. Especially जब मैं इसको बना भी रही थी. It was too watery. I was like पता नहीं इसमें क्या ही होगा. So I'm really scared to open it. Let's see. आज थोड़ा अच्छा बनाओ because it will be my only dinner. I haven't had anything else. What? I don't think it's cooked right now. This does not look like very pleasing. Let's have a bite and see how it tastes. The texture is okay, but it definitely has a lot of kaju. So that's the only good part about this. Okay, first time trying this. I'll give it 5 on 10. It's very average. It's not good at all. You know, the consistency is like too bad. I don't like it at all. See, the spoon is also like super flimsy. But yeah, that's how the halwa is, you know. फिर भी मतलब मैं कहूँगी दिख ठीक रहा है. But taste wise, you can definitely feel that's not sugar. It's good what it says. ठीक है, गुड़ का बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेवर आ रहा है, बट हलवे का फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा है. It's just like you're eating some atta with good. So, you know, you are eating just good with some dry fruits. It's just like that. It's not good. I don't know. I think मेरा हो गया dinner. I'm not really gonna have anything after this. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved me trying different food for you guys. So overall, if we talk about the video, my favorite was the poha. It was like real good. Then comes the corns. Then comes biryani. And after that comes idli sambar. And सबसे last में comes the सूजी का हलवा. दोनों ही चीज़ें ना dinner वाली aren't really good. And they both are from Ashirwad. So maybe Ashirwad doesn't really do good ready to eat stuff. Or maybe that's just my experience कि यही दोनों चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं निकली. You know, the biryani was also fine and the poha तो अच्छा था ही है ना. Like corns भी in the end butter वगैरह डाल के बिल्कुल perfect हो गए थे जैसे हम बाहर खाते हैं. So yeah, that's my crux of this video and I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying different food so that you don't have to. And I will see you guys super soon. And let me know in the comments what more challenges you would like me to see. I have already done some food challenges, so I'll link them down below so you can check them out. And thank you so much for watching. Till then guys, bye bye, love you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Hi Daddy.
Hi.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And how are you doing? And this is Vrinda and me mimicking